All right, so we have logged into Flipgrid and we are going to open up across the top right here, the shorts, and go to record a short. So now you will see my face come up and we have lots of options here where you can add onto your screen. There are some filters down here. You can type on your screen. You can add stickers on your screen here, paint, add a whiteboard, and add custom stickers that you can upload. So y'all can play around with those. We're gonna go ahead and start our short. Hi, my name is Brittany Crocker and this is my welcome short video. So I can either redo it or I can keep going. Hi, my name is Brittany Crocker and this is my welcome short video. I'm going to go ahead and pause it there because it will continually play on a loop if you don't pause it. You can either add more to your video or you can go ahead and click next. It does make you take a selfie, so we're going to just have this as our preview of our video. And again, you can decorate with these options right here. Preparing our video, now it's right here, it's available. And what's neat is you can just copy this right here. This is a link. You can also make this into a QR code if you wanted to. You can download it to your computer, or you can copy this embed code right here, which is what we would use to put this into Canvas. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this out, and now you've done your first short.